An artist who has exploded on the Hawaiian music scene this past year is Pt.5, a man who sings and plays in the old style. Born and raised in Hana, Maui, he saw Gabby perform at the Hana Music Festival in the early 70s and decided that Kihoalu was his life's ambition. We're fortunate here to have a man whose singing and playing is reminiscent of days gone by.
He's my idol, but there's, like I always say, there's only one Gabby, and there's only one Pekelo too. But I love his music, and that represents the old style of Hawaiian music, and Kihoalu is Gabby Pahinui.
I know deep in my heart, it wasn't for my dad and Ata and Sonny, we wouldn't have this, and also Uncle Leonard Kwan. And I'm thrilled to just come here and do a little of my segment of my dad within me, because I miss him.
Thank you. Mahalo.